God have mercy upon us.
Hi. 4 a.m. Hi. My chop, my customers. Chukwudi.
Who is this man?
Chukwudi. Sir. Boy, come here. Hi. Chukwudi. Sir. So you are still at home. No. Chukwudi. You are still at home. This is it. So you want my customers to run away? You want my customers to run away, Chukwudi? Take this key. Before 5 minutes, I want to see you at chop. Before 5 minutes, Chukwudi, I want to see you at chop. This is 4 a.m. Before 4:05, I want to see you at chop. Oya, handle it. Move it. Move it.
I'm speaking against me. It's a damage to your destiny.
Lord Jesus. What a stronghold. The suffer is real.
I am more dangerous than whatever you can think of me.
Ebekis. What is the time? Chukwudi, where are you coming from? Open this shop.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Bodo. Send your order now. I'm in the shop already.